Hey, this is Jay from Stitch in Time in Bemidji, Minnesota, and we are excited because the Avanir is on its way. We received word that our machines, at least the first few of them, are shipping out here today, and we are excited to have them here so that you can actually see these amazing machines and what all they can do. We are excited because we've waited a long time. When they were first released back in August, we were hoping to have them by end of October. And then they were pushed back to the end of November. And now here we are at the end of December, but we have a shipment notification. And I'm not too worried about that. I'm disappointed because I wanted them here sooner than this. I think we all did. But the thing I'm excited about is that this is my fourth top-of-the-line machine that Brother has released since I've been a dealer. And I have never had them lay an egg yet, where they released a machine before it was ready for market. And that's one of the things that I think is really important to me, is that when we get these machines, we're going to be able to get them to you as soon as possible. And so they've taken some time because, like we said, this is a whole new operating system. This has got some amazing new features and technology that they haven't had before. And so they wanted to make sure they got the bugs worked out. And so I know some of you have been a little bit antsy because there's another company that Brother makes their machines for them. It's something like an infant and a lock of some sort, a lock stitch machine, or you know what I mean. They were told, we can send you your machines, but you cannot deliver them to your customers until we get this last update in because it can cause them to crash. They have found a major bug and they wanted to get that fixed. Well, the other company decided, no, we're gonna beat them at it. So they got their machines out to their customers. And if you go on social media, a lot of them have had problems with their machines blanking out and crashing on them and having to reboot and stuff. And Brother has kind of said, I told you so. Well, that update came out here last Monday, and they got the machines all updated and they're shipping them. So we're excited about that. But what's even more exciting about that is that we have a date. January 4th, we are going to have Colleen, one of the Brother educators, is going to be coming here to our store, and she's going to be setting up the machine. We're going to be doing demos all day on some of the amazing features of this machine. You're going to be able to touch the machines. You're going to be able to see them. You're going to be able to see them run. We're going to be doing some projects. We're going to have lunch provided for you. We're going to cater it in here, and we're going to have some gifts for everyone who comes. And so this is going to be an exciting time. Now, Brother knows that you all have been waiting a long time. And as a thank you gift for their customers that have waited patiently, if you have a down payment in, you have your name in line for a machine by December 31st, they're going to give you a free extension table. Now remember, one of the big features of the Aveneer is they have the stitch regulator. So you can do your free motion quilting or you can do basting. They have 3 different modes you can choose from. And you're going to want that big open space to be able to work with your quilt top. That table is going to retail for about $350. However, if you put your name down on the down payment list, remember we talked about that before, it's just $500, get your name in line, and then we hold that and we call you as soon as your machine shows up here. If you get your name down by December 31st, you're going to get a free extension table from Brother. And that extension table won't be arriving until about the end of January, but you're going to get that for you free, and I'll make sure of that. And so that's the exciting part, that they're giving that away. But the other thing is, we want to have you see these machines in action as soon as possible. That's why we've scheduled the January 4th day. We realize a lot of you are kind of like, it's a lot of money, Jay. Is this going to be worth the hype? Is this going to be worth everything that you've talked about? And I don't want to say absolutely, even though I think it is. I want you to be able to see it for yourself. And so we're having that day. We're going to charge $20 for you to come to that day. Like I said, we're going to be providing lunch. We're going to be providing all sorts of some other gifts and things like that. You're going to be able to see it, touch it, hear it, the whole bit. But I'm charging $20 so that I know how many people to plan for. And we do have a cap limit where there's only a certain number of seats available because we only have enough room in here and we can only teach that one class. So if you want your name in there, make sure you head over to the link that I'm going to put in the description down below here, or I might try and see if I can get a link somewhere on this screen right here so you can go to our website and sign up for the Avanir Day. If you have been one of our customers that has put your deposit down, you can call us and we will give you a code that you can come to that day for free. And if you want to get your name in line and you say, Jay, I want to put my deposit down, no problem. We'll get you your code so you can come for free too. It's our way. We're convinced that this is going to be an amazing machine for you, but we want you to be convinced as well. So January 4th, it's going to start sometime between 9:30 and 10. I got to confirm that yet. And it's going to run till about 3:30 in the afternoon. That way it gives some of you who are traveling from a ways away. I know we have people coming from the Twin Cities. We have people coming from, further away than that. And if you want to travel up early that morning, you can. And that's why we're trying to keep it a little bit later in the morning so that make it a little easier for you to do that. So follow the link, check out the details, and hooray, the machine's on its way.